Hi there. This is DDK Recipe Books Recipe and book number 1. And this is another version of doing pork ribs. Now we've got 2 bone-in baby back pork ribs. And this is probably a full rack that I've got in my pan here. I already been putting on some marinade on them, olive oil, about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And we're using petroleum olive oil that's extra light. And then we've got some E&J apple brandy that I put in the measuring cup, which is right here with the pastry brush, as you can see. I also put some fine garlic powder in, and I did put some coarse Montreal steak rub in there, just a tad. Just mix it in there, probably about a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and about a 1/4 cup, a little less than a 1/4 cup of the apple brandy. Nope. And the olive oil. So I'm rubbing it on here, and what we're going to do is going to put in our smoker. We just bought one, and we'd like to try it out and see. It's supposed to be absolutely wonderful. So why not put them in your own smoker? If you own one, do it. If not, put them in your grill, or you can bake them in the oven. It'll just take a little bit longer. It's all about process. You can't rush good pork ribs. So if you really want to do it right, then I suggest that you put some of these ingredients in your measuring cup and try it today for yourself. I guarantee you're going to love it. And you can find that recipe in my first book, Recipes by DDK, author Johnny Llanos, personal chef. And they are for sale at all over the place. Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo. They are at Flicker's Meat Market in White Bear Lake. They are at Olive Branch and Spice in White Bear Lake. And you can buy them from the author direct at 612-859-3270. I look forward to hearing from all my foodie friends and followers. I'm doing tons of book signing too. So come and find me. I'm always around. Take care now. Ciao, baby.